Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is an unboxing video. Wasn't planning on buying this watch, but got an email from Christopher Ward with their half off sale. Spent a few minutes looking around, and I jumped on this one. There was another one I wanted to buy too, hesitated, and it was gone. So anyway, let's get this open. I think I can actually just peel this back. You're not supposed to be able to do that, but the tape's not really on here all that well. So let's get it out of here. Let's just be able to pull this down. I haven't messed around with the Christopher Ward in a while. Been on a bit of a Zelos kick lately, but wanted to jump on this. This is the C65 Super Compressor. I've not had a watch with the compressor case before, so it's nice to try it out. Alright, so let's slide this out of here. I was just looking at the piece of paper in there. It was the order information. Not sure if this is upside down or what. Guess we'll find out when we start to pull this off of here. So I did have it the right way. These cases are pretty neat. They're a little different. They have this leather sleeve here and then this nice wood box that looks like it's bamboo, if I had to guess. It does make it a little difficult to ship these though, since I think this is over 12 inches or whatever it is. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's take a look at this here. If this has personalized information on it or not. Just a 60/60 guarantee card. So that is 60 months warranty and 60-day return period, I believe. C65 Super Compressor Owner's Handbook. So there's a picture of it. I think the color was called Black Sand. I'm not sure if it's black or brown color. So anyway, let's take this out of here. Yeah, this is a cool looking watch. It has that vintage Super Compressor case. Open the clasp there, and oh, this little thing is still on here. It doesn't take too long to peel this off. I always struggle with these little wrappers here. Try not to tear it off. Alright, let me pause it while I'm messing around with this. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Oh, cool. It has a kind of a top hat crystal there, or boxed in crystal, I guess. I was thinking about buying this and then selling it shortly after review, but I don't know. I really like this actually. Means I need to think about what else in my collection to sell, perhaps. So this should be the inner rotating. Oh, that's interesting. It is a unidirectional inner rotating bezel. It only turns in that one direction. I have a Citizen Nighthawk, and you can turn it both ways. I don't think I've had any dive watches with this. I'm really surprised I can only turn that in one direction. Cannot turn this back. I was not expecting that at all. And there's a clicking to it here. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but it actually clicks. Oops, sorry, I went past the indicator. So this is a brownish color dial. I thought it was going to be black because it was called Black Sand. I guess it's more sand than black, or sand with tar in it, whatever you want to call it. But that is a brown dial, and it looks like it gets darker as it goes out to the edges. So yeah, that's a cool watch. So screw down crown. Nice pop there. I'm assuming this is hand winding. It's got to be a Swiss movement, probably a SW200. No date, which I like. I mean, we all have phones on us or in front of a computer screen or whatever, so we usually know what the date is. I like the cleaner dial without a date on here. And then this one has the Christopher Ward at the 12 o'clock. So it's a little more symmetrical. Yeah, this looks good. Let's take a look at the case back. I don't know if this has a quick release. Yeah, it does. Okay, let me take off this. It has quick release pins here. I don't know if I'm going to size this bracelet or not, depending on if I'm keeping it. I'm almost positive this has pin and collar, and pin and collar it's not the easiest thing to size. So let's take a look at this cool looking movement. So this must have something to do with the Super Compressor system, that red anodized ring in there. Seeing how it says Super Compressor right on there. Swiss made. So this is stainless steel, 15 ATM, so that's 150 meter water resistant. Not that I'm going to use it for diving anyway. I just really like the look and style of dive watches. Also, I'm sure they're made well enough to handle my day-to-day use and abuse. So this has the quick adjustment class system similar to the Zelos, or perhaps the Zelos is similar to this one. I'm not sure who came out with it first. I'm pretty sure it's Christopher Ward though. Yeah, so I'm going to need to do another video comparing these clasps. They look very, very similar. All right, let me put this back together. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and then we can do a wrist shot. See how it looks on my 6.5 inch wrist. See how quick this is to put back on. Might need to put on my magnifying visor real quick. Yeah, let me I'll be right back. It wasn't too bad to put on, just didn't want to make you guys suffer through watching me trying to fit that on. So the case is a mixture of brushed and polished surfaces. It looks nice. I really do like this watch. Taking a closer look at that crystal there. It's a very vintage vibe and feeling to it. There's the 2 crowns. So anyway, let's get this on wrist. Unfortunately, I have not measured this yet. We'll get into the full specs in the full review. But I think this does look good on my 6.5 inch wrist. Let me know what you think of this. It seems pretty thin though. Nice shape to it. Nice look. I'm going to have some tough decisions to make here. Oh, I lost the little, I didn't lose it, but it fell off the bracelet, the little warranty thing. So anyway, I won't be sending it back, that's for sure. All right, as always, thank you for watching, and catch you on the next video. Please subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think of this. I almost feel like it's a keeper, at least for a little while. So, all right, talk to you guys on the next video.